Good morning. Your name is... No, never. Okay. My whole life gets changed around in here. I will call them all as one. Arbor 1 West versus Rico McGuire.
Morning, Your Honor. Alice Friedman on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Morning, Your Honor. Deputy Gordon Langdon, plaintiffs.
Okay, hold on a second. Counsel, I'm having an issue hearing you. Try again.
Good morning.
Yes. Okay, I'm hearing you.
The courtroom wakes, quiet but heavy with unfinished stories.
Okay.
I turned it up a little bit.
No, it's okay. I don't like this courtroom. I want to be home. Anyway. All right, Mr. Ernie. All right. Okay, what are we doing, folks?
Well, at this point in time, the case is still in mediation in circuit and federal courts, and there's no real reason for us to do anything here today.
Got it.
And some of the buildings units have been certified, several, I think 40 some odd units have been certified for compliance. Certificates of compliance have been issued, but as far as any resolutions here today, I think we're just probably need another status conference. Is that fair? Is that fair, Debony?
Yes, I would say that's fair. I think at this point, there are maybe 35
Names are called, yet most of them have already moved on.
that at least 90% of those are no longer on city side. They've moved, they're gone. So to the extent that impacts the court's disposition on any of these matters, majority of these residents are no longer at Arbor 1 city side. They've moved on their own. They've been relocated. So a lot of these issues are no longer issues when it comes to them being physically at the property.
Got it. And okay. Mr. Henry.
That's accurate as far as we know, Your Honor. We have mediation set for November and December.
In December?
In December.
All right. Then from my standpoint, I'm going to then adjourn these sometime into the new year. It seems to me that's probably the best thing to happen. One of the issues that we do have, I think...
The judge leans forward, seeking truth in tangled files.
Some of these individuals in escrow. And at some point, there has to be some disposition of that, whether or not it go to the landlord or whether or not it go to the tenant. But we haven't heard claims from tenants regarding that escrow. There are some that have come along pursuant to the circuit court order and have asked that for disposition on the escrow, and that's not a problem, but there's still monies that are just sitting there. So,
Your Honor, are you able to confirm how much that is again at this point?
I am not, but my wonderful staff is. Hang on.
There's $20,846 in escrow.
That was the number I was going to say. What was that number again?
$20,846.
Lawyers speak of mediation, of cases lost in paperwork and time.
On various cases and tenants. So maybe what I'll do is we have that list, right? As to what unit they're on. So what we'll do is we'll send that to council so that you guys have them, so that if you guys have, Mr. Henry, connections with those folks, they can figure it out, or the landlord can make their claim or do what they wish to do on that. All right. All right.
Your Honor, I'd like to make an oral motion to withdraw from any further representation of either of these plaintiffs. They've indicated that they don't need my services any longer, and I'm happy to relinquish my representation to Debony. She's a wonderful lawyer, and they don't need me anymore, and I'd like to withdraw.
$20,000 resting silently in escrow, waiting for justice.
Do you have any objection to that, counsel?
No objection.
I thought she was going to object. She seemed to like you, Freeman.
No objection.
We get along very well.
We do get along very well. So
All right. What I will do is I'll grant
Thank you.
that motion to withdraw. If you would, whatever format you'd like to do that in, if you would submit orders to us so that,
In the important words of Cleveland Little, Blazing Saddles. Excuse me while I whip this up.
Wow. I'm going to leave that alone. Okay. Then I will sign off on those orders.
Some battles end. Others just fade into the next hearing.
Here for everybody. What, Mr. Freeman? Now?
Your 60 days would be January 6th.
Let's go to the next one.
January 20th.
January 20th,
Thank you, Your Honor.
2026, 9 a.m. All right. Great. Thank you, folks.
thank you, Your Honor.
This is,
Oh, you put them all.
he put them all. Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Just go ahead and take this because I don't.
No, I did. I wrote everything.
A motion withdrawn. A new date set. January will decide the rest.
On that paper next to you.
No, I don't know. I wrote nothing. Not gonna. Arbor Woods versus Adriana Owens.
Good morning, Your Honor. Casey Matson, PA 772. Plaintiff,
Your name?
Adriana.
And as the gavel falls, another day of waiting begins.